The vent is located at the back of the Fuse Sift's workspace and takes up the entire rear panel. Its purpose is to contain powder within the workspace and prevent these small particles from rising in a plume. After extended use, the filter behind the vent becomes clogged with powder and cannot be adequately cleaned. Formlabs recommends replacing the vent filter after every 50 hours of use. For reference, the sifter automatically turns off after 30 minutes by default, so 50 hours of use represents at least 100 full sifting cycles. In this video, we'll walk you through how to clean and replace the vent filter on your Fuse Sift. If this video helps you solve your unit's issue, please like the video, and thanks for watching. For all maintenance procedures, Formlabs recommends wearing an N95 mask or better and wearing disposable gloves. Maintenance prompts are tracked by the machine and viewable on the touchscreen. The maintenance menu on your Sift can be found by selecting the wrench at the lower left corner of the display. Follow the touchscreen prompts on your Fuse Sift to complete this maintenance procedure. This logs that the procedure has been completed and enables the machine to notify you when it needs to be completed again. Keeping powder from escaping the vent hood and contaminating your workspace is very important. The best way to ensure this is keeping the HEPA filter in good working condition. To start, we will clean the filter grate. To clean the HEPA filter, first remove the tool shelf by lifting it up off of the screws it rests on. Place it in the work area of the Fuse Sift. Then, make sure the machine is not pulling air through the filter. Turn off all other functions of the Fuse Sift, including the light bar, using the control panel. Turn on the vacuum. Using the flat end of the vacuum hose, move the vacuum across the surface of the filter from top to bottom. When finished, turn off the vacuum and replace the tool shelf to its position in front of the filter. After 50 hours of use, the HEPA filter needs to be replaced. Start by moving the tool shelf aside by lifting it up and then away from the filter. Unscrew and remove the 6 thumb screws that hold the filter grate in place. The 2 that hold up the tool shelf do not need to be removed. Lift the frame up off the rests and towards you. Set it aside nearby. Use thin pliers to pull the filter towards you by the metal mesh. Note that any powder left in the filter may fall out. Dispose of the filter according to your local environmental regulations. Be sure to vacuum up any powder that does fall out of the filter. When installing the new filter, position it so that the arrow is pointing towards the back of the machine. Push it all the way into place. Replace the frame by placing it on the rests on either side and secure it with the thumb screws. Place the tool shelf back in its position, resting on the 2 thumb screws. We've now finished the cleaning and replacement processes. Remember to clean the filters regularly in order to maintain optimal airflow. Need help? Contact Formlabs support or a certified service provider for additional support. Did this video help you get printing again? If so, please leave a like on our video and subscribe for more content. What video do you want to see next? Leave a comment telling us more.